The oil and gas industry is going through some big changes thanks to the rise of artificial intelligence. In this video, we will take a look at how AI is being used and the new possibilities it's opening up across the field. AI-driven analytics assist in optimizing drilling processes and improving exploration efficiency. This includes well placement optimization, reservoir modeling, and the identification of optimal drilling parameters. Other benefits of AI in the oil and gas industry are optimized operations, predictive maintenance, real-time decision-making, safety enhancement, and supply chain optimization. However, progress doesn't come without its challenges. As the machinery industry adopts AI, it must also address several significant obstacles. Some of the challenges of AI in oil and gas industry are continuous maintenance and updates, data integration and complexity, high initial costs, regulatory compliance, and workforce adaptation. The integration of AI systems also increases the risk of cybersecurity threats. Protecting against data breaches and ensuring the security of critical infrastructure becomes a significant concern. Read more about this and other trends in Kambashi's Insights platform, or contact us to discuss your training needs.